Startup Podcast PH is co-produced by Sprout Solutions, Aperon, Tuala, Simph, Secuna, Maroon Studios, and Aim High. Check out our partners in the description. Welcome sa Startup Podcast PH, where we interview Filipino startups to know about their stories and innovations. Dito tayo ngayon sa Coastline 5023, DOST UPV Fisheries TBI in Mayag-Ao, Iloilo, to interview its startup incubators. We have Soul Papery Co., Handmade Papers and Letterpress Studio, and its founder and co-owner, Sheila Marie Vallejo. Hello, Miss
Hello
Sheila,
po, good
kamusta?
afternoon. Mabuti naman po, thank you.
Ayan, medyo alfresco ang ating recording. So,
Oo,
dito tayo ngayon sa coastline. No? Actually, very
maayos.
fresco naman talaga dito. Tabi tayo ng dagat. And nagkataon, nagkaroon ng brownout. So, kinailangan natin lumabas ng building. At andito tayo ngayon. Kaharap natin ang mga isda, ang fisheries dito sa Miag-Ao, actually. But, ayun po, no? So, Soul Papery ay paper making company and startup.
Yes po.
So, sige, I'll let you do the introduction, Miss Sheila. So, ano nga ba ang Soul Papery?
So, as you mentioned, we are a handmade paper making studio. Bale, gumagawa po kami ng papel from abaca pulp na handmade paper. And at the same time, we specialize sa letterpress printing. So, it's a fine stationery company na handmade paper.
Define lang po muna natin, no? Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng letterpress?
It's an old printing parang mechanism wherein there's a machine, the letterpress machine na parang stamping method siya. So, yung printing na result is parang deboss, no? You can feel the texture. Unlike sa digital print na flat, the letterpress has parang indention doon sa paper.
So stamping siya and then
Yeah,
kumbaga parang
stamping.
yung engraved ba or embossed dun yung sa
Yeah,
paper?
parang on the other side, deboss siya. So, parang
Debossed.
nakalubong yung
Okay.
yung emboss kasi nakaangat. Pero we can also do that with our machine.
So yun pala ang deboss tsaka emboss.
Parang ganun.
And then sa paper making po, basically you're making paper mismo, as in yung paper that's used for
Apo.
stationaries even.
Yeah.
And this is made from abaca.
Yeah,
So
abaca
ito
pulp.
po ba yung siguro as a startup, kasi startups parang we introduce something new rin to the market aside from being like a new company. So ano po
Apo.
ba yung parang unique or parang maybe innovation or parang bago dito kay Soul Papery?
Ayun, yun din yung question sa amin ni Miss Lynn, Ma'am Lynn. So, usually kasi po, yung abaca handmade paper, actually it's already existing dito. Marami po tayo, especially sa Leyte, Albay. But the end product is mainly for packaging, crafts. Yun po, actually for export. But hindi po siya compatible for letterpress printing, digital printing. So, yung innovation ng paper namin is we can do fine printing tapos we did innovative processes para maging fine siya. Fine stationery na that will fit the market of the wedding industry. Ayun.
Ayun nga nabalitaan ko actually. So, actually ma'am, nagpunta na ako sa inyong shop
Ayun nga,
So,
sayang hindi
ang
tayo
ang inyong
inopen.
husband na si Sir Nonoy Vallejo ay actually na-interview ko na even before. Kung kayo ay paper, siya naman ay pens.
Ayun nga.
Paper and pen.
Opo, parang nagkataon lang, hindi naman yun planned. Pero parang gano'n na nga. Marami na nga nagko-comment, ikaw paper tapos siya pen. Pero actually we didn't plan on it.
Ayun. And so going back po dun sa kasi I saw the shop and nakita ko actually parang very old na I think that's the letterpress machine, no?
Yes
Very
po.
very very old. That's a very very old machine.
Yes.
Ang kwento nga sa akin ay ayun nga nakuha niyo siya fortunately, pero isa siya sa mga legacy very old na
Yes.
letterpress machines.
It's around a century old na letterpress. Actually, around 1900s. 19, yeah. Yun yung talagang main printing before. Tapos, dinala dito. Tapos, here in Iloilo, before, as in, hindi naman Iloilo, sa Philippines, yun din yung main printing, yung stamping. Kaso lang due to modernization and digitalization at saka medyo, tawag nun, yung mabilis na yung need, no? So, yun na-develop na yung ibang printing methods. Ayan.
Yun actually gusto kong tanungin dito as the innovation that you said nga kasi ayun 'no, ngayon digital na,
Ayun.
we have to accept na medyo less na yung nagpe-paper mga
Yeah.
pero
Yes po.
meron pa rin naman itong market, which is yung wedding industry nga. So siguro po siguro kahit ang startups kasi we solve a gap or a problem. I guess yung
Yes.
parang sino-solve din dito is yung first of all, supplier nga kayo ng mga specialty papers
Yes.
of the wedding industry and kumbaga yung inyo ay beyond special pa because gawa sa abaka and special din yung kanyang characteristic 'di ba as a
Yes,
paper. So sige po, ano ba yung parang parang pangangailangan na yun ng wedding industry that you actually give to them?
Kasi due to ngayon 'di ba medyo digital na, actually mas marami ng digital invites. But there are a certain market na yung mga medyo sentimental and daily sa paper, mas gusto pa rin nila yung tactile na wedding invitation. Now, we have naman existing ng regular papers, but once they see or na-experience nila yung handmade paper, nag-e-elevate talaga
Yes.
yung
Yes,
feel
oo.
and look. Kasi yung wedding invitation, it sets the tone of the whole wedding ceremony. So, yeah, that's why for fine, di naman siya luxurious, but for those na ma-elevate, na ang gusto elevated yung stationery nila, and it's actually the feel of the invites. It's actually personal and nagte-tell din ng story yung invitations through the papers and the printing method.
So
Ayun.
kaya pala kayo soul papery kasi
Yeah,
mas nabibigay
medyo
ng soul ang paper.
yes, correct talaga, sir. We are more what the paper makes our clients feel. Tapos, ayun, very sentimental siya na aspect ng wedding.
So yung papers niyo po ba ay raw nyo na sinusupply sa mga wedding supplier? Just to see the parang value chain nito. Kasi basically, sila wedding organizer,
Oo,
wedding supplier, meron mga clients na mga ikakasal.
Yes
And
po.
then may
Yes
mga
po.
personalized na mga wedding invitation yun. So the
Yeah.
clients yung magbibigay ng design. And then si wedding supplier, kayo yung pinipili because maganda yung paper nyo. So do you produce yung paper nyo na parang stationery style na design na or even yung raw pa lang?
We both do that. We have retail na kung gusto nila, sila yung mag-print. Kasi you can also digitally print sa papers namin. So, pwede din, lalo na meron kaming clients na wedding stationers din. So, sila yung nagde-design, tapos sila na magpe-print. And then, they also have their clients. So, parang B2B. And we also have clients na direct brides talaga and couples. Yun. So, sa mga couples naman, it can either be also na gusto nila, bumili lang ng paper, sila na yung mag-print. But we also have a service na one-stop shop. You buy from us the paper, we make it, we print, we design. Tapos, receive na lang sila.
So kayo din pwedeng diretso nga, pwedeng diretso sa
Yeah,
inyo.
yun. So, both, pwede retail lang and both na wedding invitation na talaga.
Ayun pala ang business. Pero just to lang po again to clarify, hindi kasi familiar sa paper making Special ba na abaka ang ginagamit sa inyong paper or yun ba
Yes.
talaga ang ginagamit sa mga papers? Or is it special din kay Soul Papery?
Actually, ang abaka kasi is very popular lalo na internationally for its quality. So, actually trend siya outside na yung mga handmade paper is made from abaka. The ironic nga lang, yun dito, that's how I started. Kasi when I discovered na there is a demand and trend sa wedding stationery na abaka handmade paper. Yeah. So, special siya because yung abaka is sturdy, but at the same time, it can give you a fine quality paper na handmade paper.
Tsaka baka dagdag nga rin siya soul. If parang kumbaga if you want your wedding to be maybe traditional oriented or parang very Philippine oriented kasi ang abaka tama ba ang abaka ang natin pambansang yun pa rin ba tama pambansang
Hindi ko alam.
kahoy or something. Pero I think very very Filipino rin.
Yeah,
Yung mga abaka na abaka fibers, I think very strong sa Philippines ang
opo,
abaka.
oo.
Yeah, so
We are the about 90% na exporter ng abaka sa
yun.
all over the world. So, proud tayo. Ayun.
And then you mentioned din po na na na-discover nyo na may demand
Mhm.
for yung mga wedding invitations nga
Yes po.
with your Abaca paper. So going sa parang
Mm.
really like your solution to them. So
Mhm.
first of all, I want to ask, paano na-discover yung ganung demand?
Actually, I started kasi I do calligraphy. It's my
Hmm,
hobby and then siyempre 'pag nagka-calligraphy ka, mata-tap in mo yung wedding industry kasi nagpapa-envelope address sila. And
hmm,
then through that, na-open up sa akin yung world of wedding invitations, wedding stationery.
mm,
And then ang mga na-follow ko abroad were doing handmade papers. And the paper makers there are using abaca as
mm,
their raw material. So, that was na-amaze talaga ako kasi very beautiful. And then I started looking for suppliers here. Ayun. But, as I said kanina, meron namang mga abaca papers tayo,
mm.
but they're not fit for calligraphy or for wedding
Oh,
invitation or 'pag meron man, not that quality na gusto natin for the
oo.
wedding stationery. So, that's how I started na, "Oh, bakit wala?" So, I research and then
Oh,
dun through research and trial and error, nakagawa tayo ng handmade paper and because nga there was already a demand kasi trend na siya, nag-pick up kaagad although oo. Oo.
hmm,
So, sa world ng wedding stationery and wedding industry, if you look at, if you search now, like for example, nag-Pinterest ka, wedding invitations, kita mo talaga handmade paper yung nasa trend, oo.
ayun. So actually parang value niyo talaga dito is handmade papers na from Abaca for the wedding industry, for wedding
Yeah,
invitations, which is
oo.
wala dati. So yun yung parang gap na na-fill niyo,
Yes
I
po,
believe,
oo.
ayun. And then ano po so paano yung proseso nito? You get Abaca mismo and then you make
Initially, oo, yung start talaga, I had to buy the raw fiber and then lulutuin yun.
oh, wow.
Yeah, parang and then you have to process to make it into a pulp,
Okay,
oo.
yes.
So, it takes about siguro mga 2 to 3 days na yung processing niyan tapos ano yun, ibi-beat mo hanggang maging puwede na siya into paper and then oo,
Yung Abaca fiber na siya, fiber.
fiber talaga yung hibla.
Hiblan nung kahoy nung
Yun yung
ano.
binibili ko,
Oo,
oo,
ta's gagawin yung
ng
pulp. Ang pulp para siyang flat na ano,
para siyang
or
cottony na parang
ah,
cotton na 'pag nadikdik mo, 'di ba 'pag
hmm,
naluto yung isang pulp, yung fiber, kukumpol siya. So, didikdikin
hmm.
yun para maging pino and that's where you parang
Oh, ang
i-handmade
anong kulay
paper.
ng pulp? White na ba siya or
Ano siya, depende sa grade or classification ng abaka. 'Pag yung mga high grade na abaka mas maputi, mas lighter in color, 'pag low grade dark. So, kung gusto mo ng white color na paper, lalagyan yun ng ano, para
ah,
maging maputi
so
siya or
ay
ivory.
baliktad pala, kinukulayan para maging white?
Hindi, parang yung
Hindi,
sunrocks.
I mean the
Ah,
other bleach gano'n?
bleach, sorry. Bleach if
Ah,
you want it to become whiter.
ah,
Pero gumagawa din kami ng colored. So, nag-a-add din
dye.
kami ng
Eh, kung
dye.
natural?
Ay, maganda din 'pag
Anong
natural.
color nun 'pag natural?
Para siyang beige na yung mga oo.
Beigeish na brown gano'n?
Ayun, yung natural niya
Oo,
talaga,
and I
oo.
guess yun yung parang mas may feels, for wedding invitations, yung kung 'di ba kung parang they want nga yung parang soul nga and ano, handmade, parang
Mm.
maganda yung natural na beigeish na ano.
Depende din kasi depende sa wedding theme nila or kung ano yung ano nila,
Ah,
color wedding motif
mm.
kumbaga.
And
So, we tailor yung colors ng paper.
and then from pulp, so magiging paper na by
Sheet forming and then the dry and then once na ano, yun na yung
ika-cut niyo na siya to the shape
we
or
don't cut,
ah,
bali naka-ano na siya, na-shape na siya doon. Bali may
okey.
mold kasi na
Hmm, okey.
oo.
So lahat ng yan dun nangyayari sa shop niyo na pinuntahan namin ni Sir
Yes po,
Nonoy nung
oo. Noon nasa
yu
ano
in
lang
Iloilo City 'no, sa
oo,
ano,
oo,
andun yung
sa
mga machine, andun yung mga ay kumpleto na yun dun
mm.
kumbaga the whole process is there.
Yeah, nandun na po.
From abaca to actual paper na
Eh
puwede nang ibenta, puwede
oo,
nang i-supply.
yes po. Pero
Oh,
now hindi na kami nagluluto ng abaca fiber talaga.
mm.
So, we have supplier na ng abaca pulp
Pulp na,
pulp na. So, nire-rebeat lang siya,
yeah.
process lang
I
siya
think
ulit.
it's better din for the business na
Oo,
gano'n.
kasi medyo sir ano kailangan ng medyo increased yung demand, medyo
Mm.
dapat mabilis na yung production. So, we eliminated that process already.
And then, nalaman ko rin kay Sir Nonoy na actually you supply even to outside the Philippines. Tama ba yun? So,
Meron kaming one client na Dubai na regular. I think
wedding supplier yan sa Dubai?
she did not disclose kung ano yung business niya actually. Pero I think she's reselling our papers.
That's good pa rin. That's good for the business. In the Philippines, mainly mga wedding supplier ang inyong mga clients talaga?
Meron kaming wedding stationers. Not necessarily wedding
So,
suppliers.
stationery as in yung parang talagang yung mga dire-design ng mga bata or ng mga
Yeah, wedding stationers, yung mga nagde-design talaga ng wedding invites. Mga freelancers din sometimes. Tapos,
okay.
mostly brides and couples na who are engaged ang nagme-message din sa amin.
Aside from wedding, meron bang ibang ano?
Yeah, meron kaming mga paper enthusiasts na who do calligraphy also, sometimes journaling, sometimes painting. Nagpe-paint din sila.
May nakita ako mga shop dati na parang, ayun, yung parang, ano siya, hobby shop siya for mga, yung mga crafts and mga, ano, tapos, malamang mga ganong klase, no? Yung pwede nyo supplyan ng
paper,
mga...
meron kasing group or market talaga na mga paper enthusiasts lang, mahilig lang talaga
actually, there's
papers.
there's actually a market and not just a market hobby siya eh. Ano talaga siya eh. Yung love for crafts and papers and arts and stationeries.
Meron, sir.
Yes, actually.
Is payroll processing taking too much of your time? Introducing Sprout Payroll Starter. For as low as 5,000 pesos per month, you get a team of experts to help you with your payroll and HR needs. We'll help compute and process payroll, handle all your government compliance requirements, and automate timekeeping. Leave the payroll to us so you can focus on growing your business. Enjoy peace of mind with Sprout Payroll Starter. Trust the digital future with Twala. Secure and tamper-proof digital signature. Electronic notarization service. And custom AI agents for intelligent document workflows. Visit twala.io to learn more. In today's digital world, your organization needs more than just technology. It needs a strategic partner. At Symph, we build web and mobile apps that drive innovation for startups, enterprises, and organizations worldwide. Visit symph.co today.
Protect your assets from bugs before bad hackers exploit them. And launch your products seamlessly with Secuna, your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Receive reports in real time and work with security experts to find bugs in your products before others do. Let's make your security our priority.
Ayun. Punta naman natin, Miss Sheila, yung inyong story. Actually, I'm very curious kasi last Saturday lang andun ako sa inyong bahay actually kasi I visited yung shop ni Sir Nonoy. Sir Nonoy from Banwa Pens So, pinakita niya sa akin yung shop niya doon. Pero nakwento na rin na you're actually a very busy person kasi you're also a doctor, right? So, pwede mo pakwento, why did you become a businesswoman? So, ano ba yung parang background nyo rin maybe and then why did you start Soul Papery?
Actually, yun siguro kasi from studying, siguro tuloy-tuloy from college all the way to being doctor, wala talagang time. Pero,
So med na po talaga kayo even dati? I mean, yun talaga parang path niya dati? Doctor talaga?
From the start. Med school, diretso-diretso. But on the side, I always have, parang curiosity or parang, pastime talaga na into arts or crafts. Yun yung start actually, calligraphy, kasi I love writing. So, tapos,
baka gamitin niyo yan sa mga pang-reseta niyo, baka mga papers niyo yung...
Matatagalan, sir. Abutin ng 1 oras pag nagsalat ng... Oo. And then, yung medyo tapos na lahat ng training, nag-settle down na. So, andun naman yung practice. At saka nag-pandemic eh. So, walang clinic. So, during that time also, parang I started actually una calligraphy. Ayan, calligraphy retail. But then, ayun, mas nakita ko yung demand sa market ng handmade papers.
So, ang galing din 'no. So, talagang love niyo yung calligraphy, love niyo ito talaga.
Yun
So, kayo
talaga.
din yung customer kumbaga ninyo na ano, I mean, yung profile ninyo ay yung mga end customer ng Soul Papery, parang
Ayun, yung nakaka-appreciate ng
mm, mm,
calligraphy, who knows the
mm,
background of papers
mm,
and fine art or
mm.
fine stationery, ayun sila.
And then
Yun yung
nung start pa lang naman, parang ano pa lang naman kayo, naghahanap lang din kayo na I mean, basically you buy special papers ano, pero
mm.
paano nangyari na parang you wanted to be a paper supplier, you wanted to be a paper maker?
Oo, kasi nga wala. So medyo
So, business opportunity.
oo, business opportunity. So, yun na yung mindset from the start na, sige wala, eh di ako gagawa, oo. Sino maghihintay pa ako and I had naman parang time at the time. Although medyo busy, pero I found the time.
Mm. Now, so kayo pa rin ay nagpa-practice ng inyong doctor
Oo,
and then
ano
meron
pa
pa rin
yun.
kayo nitong I mean, you also do soul papery.
Yes
So,
po.
how do you balance the time naman? And
Ah,
you're also
ah.
a mother.
Ay, grabe sir. Driver.
Ano
Driver, 90% driver ng kids.
andito pala ito na si ano ngayon,
Ayun
si
nga galing kakasundo ko lang
andun na
bitbit
pala
ko
sa
pa,
loob, oo.
yung bunso. I started with my friend, a very close friend nasa college na nag-partner na ako kasi nag-i-increase na yung demand and then, kailangan na mag-grow and I had to acquire a beater machine. So,
Hmm,
parang hindi na kaya na ako lang, hindi na siya ano.
hmm.
So, ayun my co-owner, Rainely, is the admin side na. So kasi
Ah,
kung gusto mo talaga hmm, growing or scaling up, I think you need to bring in people. Tapos,
pero
ayun,
nung una pala, nung by yourself pa lang, bumili na kayo ng machine?
hindi blender pa, blender lang.
Blender lang, to
Oo,
make the
the pulp, parang
pulp.
i-rebit yung pulp.
To make it into a paper?
Ayun ako din gumagawa. Ah,
Manual ba yun or
manual
handmade?
yun. So, bali lalagay mo yung pulp sa tub, tapos ako talaga
Di
yung
kailangan ng parang expensive machine.
yung 'pag basic, 'pag
Kaya?
konting ano lang production kaya na
Ah,
ano lang,
ah,
blender lang. Oo, kayang-kaya
and then
nila.
nung
In the usual.
lumalaki na kayo, need na
Lumalaki
ng
na.
automation din somehow, kaya may mga machine
Yes,
na.
oo, tsaka malaking yung beater that will
Bit ng pulp.
that will allow us to
Ah,
build a kilo of ano in just a few hours.
yeah,
Oo,
yun naman ang silbi ng
oo,
mga machines ano, para
mm.
'pag hindi na kaya ng tao, yung labor,
Oo,
para mas
hindi
mapadali
na
yung trabaho.
kaya naman ng blender pero,
Mm.
uusok na yung blender mo.
Ah,
1 kilo ng pulp kasi i-increase na yung demand so, I had to ayun.
pero hindi niyo ba naisip na parang baka ano yun, baka kasi expense yan, so hindi niyo ba naisip na parang baka risky na mag-invest kayo sa machine tapos baka hindi niyo ma-ROI?
Yun, but we are confident kasi na meron talagang demand na
Mm.
kasi it keeps on coming. So, we
Hmm.
had to actually ano nga, minsan nahuhuli kami sa ano kasi
Oh,
to
galing.
make
So, good
pa.
problem. Ang daming demand, di niyo ma-serve. So,
Ayun, so kaya
pa-increase
oo.
kayo ng pa-increase ng capacity.
Yes po,
How about
oo.
yung mga tao? Kasi dun sa shop, may mga tao ba kayo to ano,
Ayun
to help?
now we have to ano na assistant, paper maker and then
Ah,
meron na akong na-train na paper maker. So
oh.
hindi na ako mismo yung gumagawa ng paper
Madali lang ba
since
ituro yun dun sa
yeah,
ano?
madali
Mm,
kayang-kaya lang po but you have to be consistent in the sheet forming. So it
hmm.
takes practice, it takes a while. Kasi yung 'pag una mong pull ng gano'n ng paper, hindi naman agad 'yan maganda kasi dapat may control, dapat alam mo kung paano. Sige lang.
Ang galing, anong year kayo kasi lalo 2025 ano, then you said pandemic parang nag-start
Mm,
yung then ang bilis nag-progress niya in like 3-5 years. May shop na kayo, may mga tao na. So,
mm.
paano yung parang naging timeline nun ng ano?
2020 yung parang R&D, yung ako
Mm,
pa lang,
mm,
yung luto and
mm.
everything. 2022 nag-shop na. So, actually 2
Oh,
years din yung R&D pa before officially na ano, nagkaroon kami ng space. Kasi
mm.
dati sa bahay lang. So, hindi na kasya lahat lalo na 'pag nag-acquire. So,
Ah,
that we had to acquire a space.
mm.
Ayun, around 2022 nakakuha kami ng space. And then, with the na din, assistant na.
So until now, patuloy pa rin ng patuloy yung demand.
Opo, so
Ang
far.
galing, actually.
Naman, awa ng Diyos. In fact, tomorrow meron kaming wedding expo dito sa Marriott na in-invite.
Paano niyo pala nama-market? Ano lang, word of mouth lang or online? Kasi yung shop ninyo parang wala pa siyang shop talaga na tindahan eh.
Oo.
So, puro online lang ba as of now
Yeah,
yung marketing ninyo?
mainly Instagram. Actually, yung market kasi namin, more on, nasa Instagram. So,
Yeah, yung mga art
meron din
lover.
sa Facebook. So, oo.
Yes, naka-follow na ako sa IG nila. So, follow nyo rin ang kanilang IG.
Sa
Ano nga
IG.
ba ang inyong tawag dito? Tag or tawag dun,
Ang handle,
handle, yeah.
Soul Paperie. Soul Paperie.
SOULPAPERIE. Ay, paper.
R-I-E. Paperie.
Soul, PAPERIE. So, actually, ang ganda ng mga post nyo dun. Very artsy. Ikaw ba gumagawa nun?
Yeah, ako. Pati yun din na na-appreciate nila kasi yung behind the scenes, kung paano ginagawa. So,
yes, actually.
oo.
Tsaka ang ganda actually ng mga papers dun. So, pag nakita nyo sila sa feed, baka ma-excite kayong bumili.
Yun din, word of mouth also. Tsaka siguro, naka-attract yung Instagram profile kasi nga we show how we make the yung process. Tsaka pag sa world kasi ng wedding stationery, alam nila yung letterpress, so na-appreciate nila yun.
Tsaka yun yung ngayon trend ngayon, if yung transparency nga ng processes behind kasi parang mas soul nga. Kaya pala soul din.
Siguro, oo, siguro. Hindi naman yun na plans pero yun na yung unang pumasok sa isip ko nung stinart ko yung
kahit so pintahan nyo nito ay laging parang wholesale o pwedeng tingi-tingi sa
pwedeng
ngayon?
tingi-tingi.
Paano
Meron din kaming
pagagawin nyo siya
Shopee.
as a paper so pwede nyo siyang gawin as few as a few pieces?
Usually batch kami tapos we can sell it na one set lang kung gusto mo one set. Pero yung paper making, isang batch talaga yun.
Paano mo na bumili dun sa ibang batch?
Naka-stock lang siya, sir. So,
pwede nyo ibenta anytime.
Anytime. Di naman siya napapanis.
Tsaka pag may store na kayo, di ba? Pwede naka-display dun and pwede ibenta.
Yun din yung plan. Actually, naka-first phase na kami, kumbaga, ng renovation ng space. So, need lang more, na parang where people can come in na kasi marami na din naghahanap at pumupunta doon.
Ayan. Ito talaga yung mga startup na kailangan natin mas mapasikat pa. Sikat na kayo pero
ganun.
pasikatin pa natin. Kasi, tsaka first of all, very Filipino, local.
Yes po.
Baka nga na parang one of our main products din talaga. And, very unique with the product that you make.
Very niche siya.
Very niche.
So, ayun.
Yeah, so palawakin pa natin ang market ni Soul Paperie. And now, nandito tayo ngayon sa FTBI ng Coastline 5023. Napakalaking lang ng ating logo dito. So sa ngayon, nasa labas tayo kasi nga nag-brown out sa loob. So, pero tayo, first time kumenta ng Startup Podcast PH, very al fresco. Very fresco actually ang hangin. Although medyo mahangin sobra, pero yun pala, paano kayo napunta sa TBI? And then, kamusta ang experience nyo now na incubated kayo?
Si may husband din kasi
yes, pala.
incubate siya ang first na incubate.
Last year pa.
2 years na
2 years
siguro.
ago na pala. Yes,
First namin na pumunta dito, kasama na ako and I handed na Ma'am Lynn yung mga samples ng paper namin. Pero parang si Banwa Pens pa yung unang pinupush. Now, kasi medyo na-achieve niya na yung niya. Kami naman ulit now. So, ina-assist kami nila to join yung mga entrepreneurship na grants. Ngayon, meron kami na-apply na grant from DOST. Ayun. Kasi need na mag-upgrade ng mga tools and equipment din.
How about on the marketing side? For sure, napapalawak pa kayo. Ay, malaki ng demand. Ang dami pa ng demand niya eh. Ano ba priority nyo ngayon? Increase demand or increase capacity?
Both. Kasi meron na rin mga international clients na inquire. So, we need to, may demand na. We just need to be able to serve.
So, lalakayan nyo pa ba yung shop nyo? Baka balak nyo bang kumuha ng more people?
Pag na-approve or nag-grant kayo, we will purchase another beater. Di nakakasya doon. Siguro, expand or another space for all the tools.
Larger space. Tsaka baka nga pag nabuo na rin yung shop ni Sir Nonoy sa Banwa Pens, meron na nga kayong pen and paper na shop.
Pwede din,
Na
tabi
very
kami.
local and
Oo.
crafted. Craft pen and craft
Oo.
paper.
Pwede kasi nagko-complement siya. So actually, si Banwa, sikat. Yun din yung vision niya to bring together yung different
Ganda rin
crafts,
actually.
tsaka artists. Parang may hub talaga. So very inclusive siya for everyone.
Tsaka for local artisans
Ayun, yun
ng
din
ng
yung
Iloilo. And
opo.
magiging tourist spot nga kayo dito sa
Pwede,
Iloilo. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think sa Mandurriao yung parang
Sa
currently na,
Mandurriao.
ayan, may
Tapos,
bagong sisikat na tourist spot sa Mandurriao.
oo. Meron din mga groups of the mga pen enthusiasts kasi into writing and paper. So yun yung parang vision na it could be yung go-to place for those people. Oo.
And for papers din.
For papers.
Introducing Aim High. Smarter construction management starts here. Monitor costs and progress with real-time insights. Plan ahead and adapt with streamlined scheduling tools. Make data-driven decisions to avoid costly delays. Increase efficiency and profit with Aim High.
Ayun. Vision niya for Soul Papery. So actually, in what I see, parang you're riding the demand, you're riding the progress. Pero when you started ba si Soul Papery, parang may vision ka na of really becoming big? Or ano ba yung parang nakikita mo talaga kay Soul Papery? Maybe in the future?
Ako personally, parang wala. Basta love yung ginagawa ko. Tapos but may partner rin ni Liz, bigger vision.
Siya yung business, rin, no?
Siya
Admin side.
yung
You're the art side.
yung creative, ako yung creative director, operations. Siya naman sa admin. And she's more on into that, ng bigger picture. 5 years from now, what will we be? Ako naman. But now, gusto namin parang maging household name when it comes to handmade paper. So, sana, like, we will, hindi lang wedding stationery ang ma-serve namin. Like, journals, paper making, other stationery.
Slam book, mga
ganon.
Baliktad ng slam book.
Pero naman tayo ngayon ng mga made of recycled papers na mga journals. But to elevate again more.
Tsaka na-imagine ko yung mga yung mga nagbibigay ng letters sa mga retreat, sa mga
Ayun.
Tsaka meron yung mga time capsule na sulat. Ako may mga ganun ng kinip nung grade school ako, high school. Pero mga normal na papel lang yun, mga art paper lang yun, tsaka yung mga normal na yung matigas na paper, ang tawag ba dun? Construction paper ba yun na may kulay. Pero maganda kung pwede nyo rin actually customers yung mga yun nga, yung mga nasa retreat.
Oo,
na ganun
ayun.
papers yung for the
wellness,
yun
kasi
din,
'di ba mental and wellness na pinupush natin ngayon. So through that, tapos collaboration with other makers, yung mga bookbinders, leather crafters, pwede yun na incorporate.
Yun, so if they want din na parang branding din yun for them, identity din yun for them, na local Abaca made, handcrafted yung kanilang papers, so Top Soul Papery.
Oo.
Ayun, thank you so much,
Thank
Miss
you.
Sheila. If our listeners want to know more about Soul Papery, well, maganda na IG, pero baka meron kayong Facebook or website, so feel free to invite them to follow or to know more.
Yes, so we are Soul Papery. We are mainly on Instagram and Facebook. So search nyo lang po, Soul Papery. You can DM us there. Actually, yun pa muna. And we also have Shopee account, Soul Papery, for those who want na bumili lang as retail. Ayun.
Okay, so I'll put those Facebook, Instagram, and Shopee sa description. And check out papers ni Soul Papery. From Abaca and made here in Iloilo.
Yes.
Ayun. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ay, salamat.
And thank you sa mga nakinig. Salamat. Thank you very much to our 57 patrons. This episode is super powered by AskLexPage Academy, our official e-learning partner. Get certifications on Lean Six Sigma, project management, data science, and more. Founders Launchpad, our ecosystem partner. Early stage accelerator providing venture capital funding, operational support, and mentorship. Gumdrop Lab, creating scalable apps to transform your ideas into digital experiences. Cloud CFO, tech-forward cloud-based accounting service provider for businesses. Cloverly Tech, all-in-one digital platform for property developers. Body BTs, accessible and personalized diabetes self-management application. HKB Digital Services, tech-based business tools including payroll, ticketing, and loyalty rewards. Hyperstocks, digital banking enabler for rural and thrift banks. One CFO, CFO services, bookkeeping and tax, and payroll processing for startups and small businesses. Unawa, driving digital transformation with secure, legally enforceable electronic signatures and robust AML compliance. SchoolTech, all-in-one AI-integrated school and learning management system. Better Support, a Manila-based BPO company. They are offering a referral program for anyone who can bring in new clients. Let us know if you know any Western-based business that might have a need. Britanna, cloud-based enterprise-grade ERP solution that fits a small and medium business budget. Wonder Brand, data science-driven brand strategy and design company for emerging markets. Fail Coach, business training, coaching, and consulting for startups and SMEs who are scaling or finding product market fit. Drive Manila, Philippines' largest peer-to-peer car rental community. East Point Business Outsourcing Services, one-stop shop for streamlined business solutions for MSMEs such as business registration, bookkeeping, and more. Doon, Philippines' first fully insured peer-to-peer car sharing marketplace. Hire Business Solutions, provider with the most configurable cloud-based payroll system in the Philippines. DVCo Technologies Incorporated, IT solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. Mata Technologies, Philippines' premier provider of virtual tours and maps for LGUs, real estate, tourism, and private businesses. Looking for buy and sell online with Sigurado sellers. NutriCoach, personalized nutrition and weight loss programs for you. This episode is powered by Pareto Consulting, Jure.ph, Big Giant Games, Pahatid PH, Wishless PH, Tech Tribe, Yay, Uplift Codecamp, Board Prep, Dohe Philippines, Edfolio, Hive Rooms, Kazam, CodeSham, Sirius MD. Support the podcast through the links in the description.